For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
60-year-old TMC MLA Tamunaj Ghosh, who had tested positive for COVID-19, passed away in West Bengal earlier on the 24th of June. His death comes as a shock for many, given the fact he is the first legislator from West Bengal to succumb to COVID-19. The three-time MLA leaves behind his wife and two daughters. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee took to Twitter to extend condolences to the family members of Tamunaj Ghosh. Mamta Banerjee called him a party treasurer, saying Tamunaj was dedicated to the cause of people as well as the party. Very, very sad. Tamunaj Ghosh, three-time MLA from Falta and party treasurer since 1998, had to leave us today. Been with us for over 35 years, he was dedicated to the cause of the people and party. He contributed much through his social work. He has left a void that will be difficult to fill. On behalf of all of us, heartfelt condolences to his wife, Jharna, his two daughters, friends and well-wishers. Mamta's grief was shared by many. TMC MP Dinesh Trivedi also stated that he had lost a close confidant. Talking about the helping nature of Tamunaj Ghosh, he said the latter used to help everyone.
It's a very, very sad day today in the loss of Tamunaj Ghosh, lovingly known as Toma. I have lost a personal friend. Toma was ever ready to help anybody irrespective of party background.
The TMC MP further touted the demise of Tamunaj as a loss not only for TMC but for all.
Very kind, very loving, always a smiling face. The loss of Tamunaj is not only the loss for TMC as a political party, but we have lost a great human being in public life.
Tamunaj Ghosh was a legislator from Falta Assembly constituency in South 24 Paragnas district in West Bengal. West Bengal governor also expressed his condolences over the sad demise of Tamunaj Ghosh. The governor called him an experienced leader with promising prospects in the time to come.
Sad at the demise of three-time Falta MLA Tamunaj Ghosh. He was an experienced leader with promising prospects in times to come. Pray Almighty to bestow eternal peace on the departed soul. Heartfelt condolences to his wife, two daughters, friends and well-wishers.
The Trinamool Congress MLA had tested positive for COVID-19 in May and was ever since seeking treatment at a designated hospital in Kolkata. He was reportedly facing several health complications related to heart and kidney. A few of Ghosh's family members, as per reports, were also infected due to COVID-19, but they had recovered from the deadly pandemic. West Bengal Chief Minister also chaired an all-party meeting to assess the COVID-19 situation in the state. The COVID-19 confirmed cases in West Bengal stand at over 14,000, while more than 550 people have succumbed to the deadly virus.